In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Jira notifications. If you're finding yourself overwhelmed by the constant flow of Jira notifications, or perhaps you're not getting the right alerts at the right time, then you've come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through each step of managing your Jira notifications, helping you regain control over your inbox. Whether you are the assignee, the reporter, or somewhere in between, we're going to customize Jira's notifications to suit your specific needs and preferences. Let's get started by opening up the web browser of your choice and heading over to the Jira homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Your Work section of Jira. This is where all your recent activities, assigned issues, and bookmarks are consolidated. Think of it as your personal dashboard in Jira. When you arrive at your work section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a small settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon. Accessing these settings is a crucial step as it allows you to delve into the personalization options Jira offers, giving you more autonomy over what information you receive and when. After entering the settings menu, look for an option called Personal Jira Settings. This option will open up a suite of customizable features catered specifically to you and your use of Jira. This is an area you might not have explored in depth, but it has great potential for tailoring your Jira experience. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure Jira works better for you, not the other way around. Now let's click on Projects and Issues. This section, as the name suggests, deals with the projects and the issues you are currently involved with. It's beneficial to picture this setup like the nerve center of your work within Jira. Here is where we begin to filter the alerts and updates you receive. Once you've opened the Projects and Issues tab, you will encounter various options. Among them, you'll be able to find email notification settings. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled Send Me Emails for Issue Activity. This is the primary control hub for your notifications, the key to streamlining how Jira communicates with you. From here, you can start customizing which notifications you receive in your email inbox. Scrolling further, you'll notice checkboxes next to several notification options. The first checkbox you'll see is labeled You're the Assignee. This means you will receive notifications when you are directly responsible for a task. If you are someone who prefers to be kept in the loop of every movement on tasks you're assigned, keep this box checked. However, if you find your inbox is deluged with unnecessary emails, you may wish to uncheck this box to reduce the clutter. The next option you'll encounter is for when you're the reporter. With this setting highlighted, you'll get updates on issues you created. Once again, it's all about balancing your level of involvement with your email management needs. Consider unchecking this box if you feel you are receiving too many notifications about issues you no longer need to monitor closely, or if the tasks have been delegated to others in your team. Lastly, for those who wish to take an even broader approach, there is an option to simply turn off notifications. This might seem drastic, but for some it's a necessary change to avoid information overload. If you choose this, make sure you have other methods for tracking your responsibilities in Jira, such as directly following the project board or setting manual reminders. Managing notifications in Jira is a pivotal strategy to maintain productivity. Often, the default settings might not be tailored to your individual needs, which is why personalizing this aspect of Jira can be a game changer. By taking the time to adjust your notification settings according to your workflow and communication preferences, you're ensuring that your use of Jira is as efficient and stress-free as possible. Remember that these settings are flexible. You can always revisit and tweak them based on the evolution of your work requirements, or if a change in your role necessitates a different notification setup. That wraps up today's session on managing Jira notifications. I hope this guide has been informative and empowering, enabling you to make the necessary changes to optimize your notification settings. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or additional tips, don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy optimizing!